G'day, it's Craig here and I want to introduce this awesome product that we've got here. Now this is the UndaWasha. Now anyone that goes four-wheel driving or anything to do with salt water, boats, you name it, caravans, cars, this is a great idea for cleaning up. Now let's have a quick look what we get here. So we have the washer itself and the little end, so it just attaches to a normal garden hose, so no more need for expensive pressure washers. Any sort of garden hose will do. I mean, if you're used to going four-wheel driving with your mates and then you come home and you put a sprinkler underneath your car for a few hours, or you spend all your time lining up at a car lovers or an underbody wash and spend all that money, you know, this is the thing that's going to get you out of trouble. Now, it has a 90-degree jet on it, so it makes it nice and easy to get under your vehicle as well. It extends to 1.5 meters, so look at that. I mean, that's going to be great for, you know, getting underneath your four-wheel drive, hard to reach places, getting on top. You know, how often do you want to wash your caravan? You know, like you can imagine the amount of stuff that you can do with your boat, everything. You know, it's just going to be awesome for that. It also does come with a couple of chemicals, so we'll throw in your normal car wash that you can use, as well as this fantastic stuff. So this will actually dissolve salt as well as leave a protective coating on your vehicle. So this is really awesome to use. This little bottle was enough for 2 washes. We have the little chemical container here, so it's got a little measurement on there so you can actually measure how much chemical you're putting in there. So that just screws underneath here. Nice and easy. Now we have an adjustment here to turn the flow rate up or down to suit, as well as we can mix in the amount of flow rate we want for our chemicals. So pretty much we thought of just about everything. So let's give it a go. All right, let's give it a quick go. I'm first going to do a bit of a rinse before I put any chemicals in. All right, let's fire up. So as you can see, you can adjust the amount of pressure by the little lever here, which is great. So look at this, you don't even need to get under the vehicle if you don't want to. You see there, look. I mean, imagine if you've got a big caravan, you know, you can get up the top into hard reach places. I might give a bit of a salt wash and I'll quickly show you how that works. So I'll put 70 ml in. The beauty is it's all, you can see the little measurement there, so it's great. How cool is that? Screw it back up into the chemical holder and we'll give her a wash. Yeah, see the beauty of this, you can, as you see, it sucks it up. You can adjust the flow. So as you can see, I'm distributing the chemical now, so you can more or less to suit your needs. And that's going to dissolve all your salts, everything that's going to harm your vehicle, you know, or your caravan. You know, you spend a lot of money on your toy, so you really want to look after it. So this is a great little tool every time you go near the salt water. That's going to dissolve all your salt and leave a nice protective layer all over your vehicle. How cool is that? Once again, all your hard to reach places. You know, the 5 meter extension pole there, you can imagine how handy that's going to come in a lot of different devices. So you just suit it to whatever you want. You know, if you don't want it that large, nice and easy. Move it back out. Look at that, it is so awesome. So how much easier is that going to make all your trips away four-wheel drive? And every time you go near the salt water, it's such an easy job to do. Going to save you a lot of money queuing up in the underbody washers. You're going to protect all your gear. Get on our website, check them out. Cheers.